Hi, and welcome to International YouTube channel. We recommend you watching this video in case you're wondering about your tuition payment options once you're in Canada. Well, let's find them out. First, let's find out the amount of tuition fees that you need to pay. Log into My Humber, choose Student Account and Fees. And find Tuition and Fees Quote. After, select View Fee Quote and find the amount of tuition fees to be paid. Now, let's find out what are your payment options. The first option is paying for your bank. You can either pay in person in your bank. To pay in person, visit your bank and ask the bank teller to help you make a tuition payment to Humber College. Your Humber student number is your account reference number. For example, N011221116. The bank teller will complete the transaction and give you the receipt. Or you can use online banking. Log into your online bank account. Choose Bill Payments or the Bill Pay option. Enter Humber College as the account payee. The account number is your Humber student number. Where's my money? Oh, don't worry, it takes 3 to 5 business days for Humber to receive your payment. So please plan accordingly in order to meet the payment fees deadline. You can always check the payment fees deadline on the academic calendar on My Humber. The second option is paying through My Humber by using your credit card. Please note that Visa debit and MasterCard debit will not be accepted. Log into My Humber, click the Student tab, and then click on Student Account and Fees. Next, click on Account Detail for term/Humber College receipt. Choose the term that you're currently enrolled in, which is fall, winter, summer, and click Submit. Check the amount under Account Balance. This is the amount that you need to pay. Click on Pay Now, enter the payment amount, and then click Submit and then OK. Enter your credit card information to complete the payment. Note that when paying for My Humber using a credit card, a convenience fee will be applied. This fee is billed at a rate of 1.75% of the fee payment. Credit card payments apply to your Humber account on the same day of your transaction. If you don't have sufficient amounts of funds on one credit card and you want to use 2 credit cards to complete the payment, here's what to do. Simply enter the amount of the money that is available on your first credit card and then proceed to payment. After, enter balance of the payment and pay with your another credit card. Remember that you can pay with more than one credit card. If you want to pay tuition deposit, please select Pay Tuition Deposit tab on My Humber. We hope that this information will make your payment easy and convenient so that you can focus on your next steps at Humber College. For more videos like this, please visit our International Center YouTube channel and just have a nice day. See you soon!